Hey, what's going on, everybody? Steve here, Rake and Profit here in Connecticut. A lot of people keep asking me, you don't live in Florida? You don't live in Miami anymore? Well, obviously you didn't see the video I posted like last year. I moved out of Miami, moved to Connecticut, and I bought my house. And I want to share with you guys an update of what I've built over here. And I want to parallel that to our reselling business, because a lot of people, they think they could just get into reselling and just start making a ton of money, but you have to build your reselling business. Just like I didn't build the house, but I built a lot of stuff that made this house a lot better. And I want to share with you a couple things about my house, and then talk a little bit about building a reselling business. So I'm in my backyard right now. This originally had no fence, so we built the fence. My girlfriend and I, we built the fire pit right there, which is pretty cool. There was no platform here as well, so we built the concrete platform, did a nice little brick perimeter and rock perimeter right here, which is beautiful. Let me show you guys something right here. This is probably one of my favorite parts of the house. It's the hot tub. Whoo, look at that. Oh gosh. Oh, it's amazing where I was 8 years ago, literally living at my parents' house in a 150 square foot bedroom with, essentially a thrift store inside of it. I said it on one of my live streams the other day. I remember my mom one time came in my room and she said, "Steven, get the cat out of here. I don't want the cat in here. It stinks in here." And it literally stunk like a thrift store. So let's check this out. Oh, ooh. It's beautiful. Now, I don't share this to impress you, but really to impress upon you that whatever you want in your life, you got to build it. Just like I'm building this house right here, you've got to build a reselling business. And one of the things that I'm really happy about is what I built down here in my basement. So I built a home gym, got an area for deadlifts and rows, little weight tree, built this little home gym right here, bought a ton of dumbbells. We got everything for rows. We got stuff for dips. We got the red light therapy, get ready to be blinded, the elliptical. We got all the mirrors built in here. And when it comes to building your life, it's the same with your business. You got to build your reselling business. A lot of people, we got Mama Profit calling me. A lot of people, they underestimate what it takes to build a reselling business. You've got to build all aspects of it. You've got to build, you got to build out what you're going to source. You got to figure out what items you're going to buy. You got to build your reselling route, your thrift route, maybe your garage sale schedule. You've got to build your listing routine. We were talking to my buddy Matt yesterday. He had to build the habit of listing 10 items a day. You got to build out your systems for shipping your items. You got to build out your customer service systems. Maybe you have VAs. Maybe you have a team of people at your house who are helping with listing and photography and shipping. You've got to build your reselling business the same way I've been building my house. Oh, and I forgot to tell you one more thing. You see this little empty spot right here in this area? We're getting a sauna. Whew. I haven't been spending any money almost for like 8 years, right, on anything too fancy, besides maybe my apartment in Miami, but I split that with a roommate. But I'm so excited for that. But anyways, you got to build your life. You got to build your business, and it's one step at a time. I didn't all of a sudden just have all this appear. I had to buy the house. I had to set up the fence. I had to build the fire pit. I had to hire contractors to build out this. I had to freaking try to order all this stuff during COVID times when it's impossible to order things. It's one step at a time. It's the same with your reselling business. You can watch all the videos you want about people doing $5,000 a month, $10,000 a month, $20,000 a month. They all have to build their business. It's a process. It's step by step by step. It takes time. It's not easy to do. That's why most people just work for the man, raising their hand, clocking in, clocking out, because it's hard to build your own business. You're responsible for the outcomes. You're responsible for making money. So just want to make this little update video. Look at I'm getting chubby. I gained like 20 pounds this year, and that's actually one of my big goals for 2022 is take responsibility for my health. I've been getting a little too comfortable over here in Connecticut with my family and friends and eating out too much. So that's going to be one of my big goals in 2022, build my health. But let me know, what are you guys doing to build your business in 2022? Have patience, take your time, but I'm telling you it's worth it, because the freedom that you have, just like the freedom of having your own house, which I wish I had a long time ago, the freedom of having your own business, the freedom of having literally a cash printing machine. I can make money anytime I want with reselling. I can just go online and source items, go to the thrift stores, go to the garage sales. Same with you. You have a cash money printing machine as a reseller, but you have to build that system out. You have to learn what to sell, how to list, how to ship. So go out there, get after it. But wanted to give you guys a little home tour in Connecticut, talk about building a business. God, this chin, man, I gotta go in the gym right now.